Nagpahangin ta sa gawas, guys.
What's that, yeah?
Nothing.
Other than you are awesome. You are awesome, awesome.
Come on, guapo. Come. Come on.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, the one that comes apart easy once you figure out the secret to it. Secret is to get me a screwdriver so I can pry a little outside. Okay. They're built hell for sale a lot better than they built the deep seats, you know.
Hmm. Would you be able to remember?
Oh, with your help.
Oh.
You're watching me, so I know you remember it all.
Oh, yeah. I know, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll be bloody dying.
What does it hook up to, my dear?
I don't know. Yeah,
This little bitty
I think it's continuous.
thing right there. Okay, that one. Same thing as the other one.
I was thinking you only move the back seat back a little.
Move the back a little.
The back seat
Mm.
back a little. I did not know that you're gonna hold the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm going to move it back a little, but I'm going to put my toolbox that goes underneath it under there.
Mm.
Right? So why is this side still on? Plastic holding it together, it looks. You know, I've faith in you. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think that'll work out perfect. Then she'll have to go over to here. Has to push over for the seat to fit in between them, you know?
Okay.
It's just about right.
So 3 seat on the
Yeah.
front?
3 seat in the front.